Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a little minute, but I'm gonna try my best to put out at least 3 or 4 videos this week if I can. I've been really busy. Not last week, but the week before, I got really sick and I had to pay a visit to the hospital, and so they told me I had to stay in bed to rest as much as possible because my spleen and my stomach was swollen. And I was in so much pain, and again, I apologize for that. And then last week, I had an unexpected vacation to Panama City Beach, and it was so much fun. And I tried to do some videos over there, but I was so busy and just in the moment, so I didn't really get a chance to record one. But I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial today for you guys. A lot of you guys have been asking me to make one, and I finally got the chance to make one. I'm sorry I kind of look like a hot mess, but I just woke up and I thought, why not? So let's get started. Alright guys, so I usually use the Milani eyebrow dip, and I use dark brown with number 5, and it looks like this. And I usually use the brush that it comes with. That's that end and that end. So I was doing my eyebrows one day, and my dog decided that it's gonna be funny to chew on my eyebrow brush. So I knew he had something in his mouth, and he always has something in his mouth. I'm like, oh my god, like what is it now? And I always chase him down, and it takes me forever to get him. And so I was like, I left my eyebrow stuff on the couch because there's good lighting in front, like in my living room. So I was doing it there. I was plugging my eyebrows and waxing them or whatever. And I had this over there because I used this to brush my eyebrows. And I finally got him, and he had this in his mouth, and he was chewing on it. He would not let go of it. And this is like my most favorite ever. Like, it does wonders for my eyebrow, and he had it in his mouth and he did this. So let me tell you, he got the beating out of his life. Not really, don't take that by heart, but because I love my dog to death and I would never do that. But he was on timeout for all day. He didn't get out of his cage all day because simply the fact that he did that, and he didn't have to or need to, but my dog is crazy. Okay, so instead of this end of this brush, we're going to be using this other brush, and it's just a diagonal brush, and it's purple, and I just so happened to find this in my brushes, and I tried it the other day and it worked pretty good, so I was like, why not? Alright, so first what I do, again, I'm sorry if I look like a hot mess. I really just did not care or try. But I just woke up, so I was like, wash my face, brush my teeth. I gotta make a video this week. I have to, at least 2 or 3 or 4. I can't promise y'all that because I start school Monday and I'm working. Tonight I work all the way till 12, which is Friday. So by the time I have this video up, it'll probably be Sunday. So yes, I have a very busy life. Alright, so let's get started. First, what I like to do is just start with the outline. I'm so upset that I can't use this brush. I'm sorry if y'all can hear my dog barking in the back. He always does that. He just barks every single time I try to make a video. Alright, so first, what I like to do is outline the eyebrow, starting from right here all the way to the end. I'm about to go and put him outside if he does not stop barking. And this again does not work as if this one would work. Like this one, it's like really, I don't know how I would describe it. It's like really, I don't know how to describe it, but it's just more tighter. Like the brush, like it doesn't come like, I don't know. But just know that that one is way better than this. This does not work as best. So I'm sorry if my eyebrows don't come out like they usually do. This weekend I'm supposed to go shopping. So I gotta buy a new one. It just does not look the same. And like for me, I don't really gotta fill in my eyebrows a lot because they're, as you can see, already dark. So I don't really gotta fill them in that much. And if y'all want a tutorial on how I pluck my own eyebrows and wax them, comment below and I will try to get that done for y'all. Oh, by the way, I got my 3 holes done. My mom did it and I have a video of it. And I might just put a little clip of it on here for y'all to see. I could not stop laughing. It was the funniest thing ever. I don't know why. Like you figure like when you're in pain you wouldn't be laughing. But it really didn't hurt. This side hurt my second hole. So I used to have my second hole done, but it grew out. Like I took them out and I just never put them back in. But I couldn't stop laughing and Mom was like, quit laughing. I just could not. And also my skin is like so uneven. Like I have dark places and I have light places. It is so uneven from where I've been peeling. Because most of y'all know I'm not this dark. Okay, I think I'm done. I know they kind of look funny because, I mean, but I'm not done. I'm going to conceal under them. My hair, I'm just gonna throw my hair in a bun because it's getting on my nerves. I'm a potato. Alright, so now we're going to conceal, and I'm using this flat brush. Can you see it? I don't know, can you? There you go. Okay, and I'm just gonna use, I'll lose everything, y'all. I'm going to use the Brow Precise Illuminator Perfection. I'm just gonna get some of that at the end. after I conceal, I always set them with just regular powder. And I'm going to use the Stay Matte in transparent. And I'm going to use a flat brush. Alright guys, well that's it. I really hope you like it, and this is the final look. I said look, it ain't no look, but this is how I do my eyebrows. And again, I'm sorry that I didn't have usually the materials that I usually use. My dog got a hold of them, but yeah, that's it. And I really hope y'all like this. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and just let me know what you think about it. If y'all have any video suggestions on mine that I should do or recreate, just comment below. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. I'm sorry again for the 2 weeks that I haven't been posting. I will try my best to post more recent. And don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, thank y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. Love y'all. Bye.